pendulum swings 20 inches back and forth. It swings 3/4 as far each time. Find the total distance that the pendulum will have swung. So let's say we have this pendulum right here that's swinging. The first time it swings, we're actually going to pretend that it starts out, out here. It's going to swing a total of 20 inches. Now it says that it swings 3/4 as far each time, so it's going to go 3/4 the distance it did the time before. So if it went 20, it's going to go 3/4 of that, which actually is going to go 15 inches. And then to get the next swing, it's going to go 3/4 of that. 3/4 of 15 is 11.25. And then 3/4 of that, and then 3/4 of that, 3/4 of that. And this is going to continue. Now, here's just one of those examples. What does this have to do with the chapter we're in? And what we're noticing is we want the total distance. Well, first one was 20, then it went 15, then 11.25, and it continues, and it's always 3/4 of the time before. So in order to get 3/4 of 20, we have to multiply by 3/4. And to get 3/4 of 15, we have to multiply by 3/4. And because we keep multiplying by this number, we're discovering, hey, this is a geometric sequence. We have to always multiply by a common ratio to get the next term. So what we ask ourselves is, did it say, find the total distance of the first 5 swings, or just the total distance that the pendulum will have swung? So how long is this pendulum going to keep swinging? Now, gravity comes into effect in real life and will eventually stop the pendulum from swinging. But without gravity, just in the math world, would this continue forever? And because you can always take 3/4 of a previous number, this will continue forever. So that's what makes this an infinite geometric series. And series because we want to find the total distance, which means we will be adding these all together. We have a formula for the sum of an infinite geometric series, which is your first term divided by 1 minus r, which is the ratio. Now the ratio is what we multiplied every one by. We know that's going to be 3/4. So 1 minus 3/4. And then the question becomes, what is the first term? And the first term, our first swing is 20. And then we went 3/4 of that to get 15, 3/4 of that to get 11.25. So that 20 does end up being our first term. And then we just simplify. 20 divided by 1 minus 3/4 is just a fourth. And then instead of dividing by the fraction, we flip and multiply. And we end up with total distance a pendulum travels is 80 inches.